Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to go live on Facebook quickly and easily. Whether you want to share an event, chat with your followers, or stream in real time, Facebook Live makes it simple to connect with your audience. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and sign into your account if you have not already. Next, tap the What's on Your Mind box at the top of your newsfeed or go to your profile and tap Create Post. From the post options, select Live Video. If this is your first time going live, Facebook may ask for permission to access your camera and microphone. Tap Allow to grant the required permissions. Before you start your broadcast, add a title or description so viewers know what your live stream is about. You can also choose your audience, such as public, friends, or only me, depending on who you want to watch your live video. When you're ready, tap the go live button to begin streaming. During the live broadcast, you can interact with viewers by responding to comments and reactions in real time. Once you're finished, tap Finish or End Live to stop the stream. You can then choose whether to save the live video to your profile or delete it after the broadcast ends. And that's it. That's how you can go live on Facebook. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.